It's happy to hear it. Okay children, you're watching my aunt's gallery and I'm your Anu ma'am back with today's video. What you're going to learn? Do you know? You have any idea? No? Then let me give you a clue, okay? It is the first letter in the alphabet. Yes? Which letter you are going to learn today? Yes, you're right. Absolutely. It's letter A. Okay, children. You are going to learn A words. Also the phonics song. Okay, children. Are you all excited to learn it? Yes? Okay, come. Let's get into the video. Okay, children. Do you like story? Yes? Then shall I tell you one story? Are you ready to hear it? Okay children, which letter is this? Yes? Yes, this is letter A. Okay, do you know the sound of letter A? No? Okay, then don't worry. I'll teach you now. Do you know how did letter A get this sound? No? Okay, come. Let me teach you the story. Okay? Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a boy. A little boy. Do you know his name? His name is Alan. What is his name? Alan. Okay. Repeat after me. Alan. Alan. Yes, you're right. Okay. One day, this Alan stood under one tree. Which tree? Yes, it's an apple tree. Okay. Apple tree. He stood under the apple tree. At that time, a hunter came by that side. He tried to pluck one apple with the help of his arrow. Arrow. With the help of his arrow, he tried to pluck one apple. So he aimed at the apple tree and kept on moving. At that time, accidentally, he stepped on an anthill. He stepped on an anthill. Anthill. What happened then? Do you know what happened? At that time, the ants from the anthill came out angrily. The ants from the anthill came out angrily. So one ant, it bit the hunter's ankle. It bit on the hunter's ankle. Okay, the hunter shouted in pain. So, if an ant bites you, what will you do, children? You will also shout in pain, is it so? Like that, the hunter shouted loudly. So, this sound reached Alan's ear. Whose ear? Alan's ear. Okay, so Alan ran to help the hunter. He had an axe in his hand. What did he have? Axe in his hand. With that axe, he ran to help the hunter. Alan was running in a hurry. The axe fell on the hunter's arm. The axe fell on the hunter's arm. Okay, what happened then? The hunter started bleeding. Okay, poor hunter, is it? Yes. So, now Alan called the ambulance to go to the hospital. Okay, now the ambulance came. They both entered into the ambulance. So, once when they enter into the ambulance, the hunter had some different feel over his arm. Do you know what it is? Some ants. Some ants. The ants started climbing on his arm. So he put off the ants by saying, ah, 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 ah. How did he say? Ah, 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 ah. Okay. So then Alan started to sing one rhymes. Which rhymes is that? Shall we sing? First you listen to me, okay? Ah, ah, answer my arm. Ah, ah, answer my arm. Ah, ah, answer my arm. They're causing me alarm. Now, you might have understood the sound of letter A. Is it so, children? What is the sound of letter A? Ah! What is the sound of letter A? Ah! Okay, children. Did you enjoy the story? Now you have learned some A words out of it. Is it so? Yes. Come tell me which of the A words you have learned from the story. Come start saying that. First one. Yes, apple. Next, arrow. Yes, next, anthill. Yes, next, ant. Yes, very good children. Next, ankle. Yes, very good. Next, arm. Yes, next, ambulance. Yes, you're right. Yes, next, axe. Axe. Yes, very good. Okay, children, now shall we revise the A words from the beginning? Are you ready? Now, I'll show you the pictures. You have to name them, okay? Are you ready, children? Yes. Okay, come, let's get started. First picture. Which picture is this, children? Yes? Yes, you're right. It's apple. Next. Yes, you're right. It's arrow. Next. Yes, anthill. Clever children you are. Okay, next. Yes, ant. Next. Yes, axe. Next. Yes, ankle. Where is your ankle, children? Touch your ankle. Let me see that. Touch your ankle, touch your ankle. Yes, great children. Super. Okay, next picture. Yes, it's an ambulance. Okay, next picture. Yes, it's an arm. Where is your arm? Yes, very good children, very good. Next. Okay, what's the last picture? Yes, it's an ant. Wow, great children, you are great, super. Okay children, you have learned the A words very clearly, is it so? Okay children, now tell me, which letter is this? Yes, this is letter A. Now tell me the sound of A. Ah! Ah! Now shall we sing the rhyme, children, which I have taught you now? Are you ready? Okay, this time you have to sing along with me with doing proper action. Okay, come, let's sing the rhyme. Ah, ah, answer me arm. Ah, ah, answer me arm. Ah, ah, answer me arm. They're causing me alarm. Yes, did you enjoy the song? Very good then. Clap your hands, all of you. Clap your hands. good. Stop jumping. Stop jumping. Okay, now sit down. Sit down. Did you enjoy the class, children? Yes? Okay, great, children. You have to practice the sound of letter A and also the A words at home. Okay? I'll meet you in the next video for writing letter A. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Stay tuned.